actually cannot believe how much you guys love these closet videos. So today we're going to go through my hoodies, and I'm hoping to get rid of at least 6. Starting with the grays. First one is a deep V off the shoulder from Old Navy. I just got this and I'm keeping it. Next up, basic gray crew neck. It's a yes. Moving on to our first hoodie. This is a white fox hoodie. I wear this quite often, so we're keeping it. I have so many gray hoodies. It says you're only as cool as you treat people. It's a yes. What do you know? Another gray crew neck. Obsessed with Gap. Keeping this one too. I got this matching with my mom and grandma in the Smoky Mountains. It's sentimental, so I have to keep it. I'm getting kind of hot. I'm gonna go turn down the heat. This is my comfiest hoodie that I own. It's just plain on the front, and the back is so cute. Obviously, keeping. This Wiener Dog hoodie is so cute, but out of all of my gray hoodies, I probably wouldn't reach for this one. So I think we have our first no. Adding to the donation pile. This Dandy hoodie is so cool. Wait till you see it. It has these patches on the sides, and then look at the back. Keeping this forever. I need to wear this one more because it's so sick. I cannot believe we are still in the grays. My classic Gap hoodie, obviously a yes. We have a basic crew neck from Gap. I wear this all the time. It's a yes. This Wrangler hoodie is sick. I've never worn it, but now that I have it on, I want to keep it on. I vow to wear this very soon. I'm keeping it. My shoulders hurt from trying on so many hoodies. This is pathetic. Another plain basic crew neck. This one's like athleisure. Material's really cool and soft. It's from Target. I'm keeping it. I wish there was more in here that I didn't like. This Go Sports crew neck from Abercrombie is adorable. Can't get rid of this. It's a yes. All right, we've made it out of the white and gray territory. This video is getting long, so come back for part 2.